Okay, folks, here we are Sunday morning here in beautiful Bellingham, Washington. I'll show you here the new Petro Viking, the Subaru motor, Roots dual splash motor, and there's your general pump. As you can see, there's just dual pulley and dual belts on the blower. Here, all belt changes can be done in a matter of minutes. Actually could change this motor out in about 10 or 15 minutes. Simple single heat exchanger system. We have our pretty much my exclusive R2D2 cylinder style vacuum waste tank with automatic pump out, and basically look at all the room you have in this truck. It's a very small platform. And what we're going to be doing this morning is everyone can do a video on a 50 feet in a parking lot at a trade show, but this is where we're going to test the Petro Viking on. Get the RX-20 out. We'll give this a good little scrub before I start. Get the VT12 on as the weapon of choice today. It's probably about the best sprayers you can buy. The AR sprayers are a little expensive, but they're pretty good. And then of course the Royal commercial duty vacuum. It's a Pro Series one. And so we're going to be cleaning this up today, and then we'll show you the before and after. Have a great day.